Hi everybody, it's Julia, your trusted travel expert, helping you find that je ne sais quoi wherever you are in the world. And if you've been following me and you saw my video a couple weeks ago about Virgin Voyages, you know that I'm not a big cruise fan. And there's a reason for that. I think there are certain destinations that are not great for cruising, but there are certain destinations where you pretty much have to cruise, and it's really the best way to see the destination is via a ship. And I've actually just had a presentation from the sales rep that I am connected to for Celebrity Cruises. And Celebrity is an interesting cruise line because it's luxury, but it's not super traditional, it's not stuffy, it's pretty modern. They have a brand new ship, big ship, but not a huge ship, but like a 2,000-3,000 person ship. Called the Edge, that has really cool innovative features, this like magic carpet that goes up and down the side of the ship. It's crazy. But what really impressed me were some of the interesting itineraries they had, and I just want to highlight them for you. First of all, they have like tons of ports where they spend overnight in port, so that's nice because you can maybe go off the ship for dinner or experience nightlife in a destination, and that's really helpful. But they have some really interesting, especially for next summer, cruises in and out of Boston. Up like the St. Lawrence River to Quebec City and stuff like that, Halifax and, Prince Edward Island, cool stuff like that. But like for this year specifically, it's June 27th, you can sail up and do some of that and then spend July 4th in the Boston Harbor, which would be super, super fun. But next year, the really cool thing that I think they have going from Boston and back, it's one way Boston to Dublin, but it's not just a transatlantic that you spend 7 days at sea. You go up to like Rhode Island and to Greenland and to Iceland before you get to Dublin. And I just thought that was like the coolest thing. So if you're a sort of transatlantic cruiser, you might want to look at Celebrity for next summer because it'll come back from Dublin back to Boston. And that sounds really cool to me. What they're really big focused on besides Europe is Alaska, and they do a lot of really cool Alaska cruise tours. There are lots of players in the market for Alaska, but they're definitely one to consider, especially if you like a more contemporary ship. But the thing I really want to focus on is their Galapagos product. And that is because, I'm a huge fan of Galapagos. I think it's an amazing family trip. And they have special built a ship for the Galapagos Islands that will live at the Galapagos Islands. And so the thing with the Galapagos, it's all very, very regulated. You have to have a guide per every 12 passengers, no matter what, a local naturalist guide per the government. They regulate who's in port when, and so it's very highly regulated. So the differentiator for Galapagos trips is the quality of the ship. And so this new ship, it's called the Flora. It was specifically designed for the Galapagos, so it can deal with, the Galapagos has a lot of currents going around all the different islands, so the water can be a little bit choppy. This ship has the latest technology to keep it as stable as possible, so it's, it's good for those that get seasick. It has floor-to-ceiling windows. Every room is a suite with like a balcony and window thing that goes up and down, and it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful ship, and really high quality food and all that. So if you're thinking about Galapagos, they have amazing specials, including air, including discounts for the second passenger for this first year of its sailing. That's how brand new it is. It just got delivered. It's starting sailings in June, I believe. So if you're thinking about Galapagos, think about Celebrity, the Flora, give me a call, let me know how I can help. And that's it for this week. I will talk to you next week. Bye.